Great offer on Amazon for Fire TV Stick right now, letting you choose one for only $24.99 instead of its previous price of $39.99. Or you can get Fire TV Stick 4K for just $34.99 instead of its previous price of $49.99. Both are really great options for those looking for a way to make their TV smart. Fire TV Stick is an HDMI stick that you can connect to your TV to make it smart. It can run all kinds of applications like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, YouTube TV, Hulu, HBO Go, WWE Network and many more. It allows you to watch all kinds of content on TV directly. It also supports Alexa, allowing you to require Alexa to open Netflix, turn off smart lights in your home and more. Just about everything Alexa can do on the Echo smart speaker, you can do it on your TV too. There are two different types of Fire TV Stick devices, and they both come with the new Alexa voice remote control, volume control buttons, and the only real difference between the two is that the cheapest one broadcasts content with 1080p resolution, and the other with 4K resolution and HDR. There is also support for Dolby Vision on Fire TV Stick 4K. If you are looking to prove your TV in the future, Fire TV Stick 4K is the right way. It supports more modern technologies, all with a difference of $10 more. Fire TV Stick is a really great way to enjoy all kinds of great content on your TV without having to buy a really new TV. This price will not be there for a long time, so I hurried to get it.